How to make a romantic story thread on X using WriteSonic. So if you're familiar with those romantic story threads, then this actually is the method in order to do them in one click. So let's click on this social media right here. And then from in there, we can head over and see this. So let's choose Twitter thread. And then in here, they will ask you for some things like thread topics. So for example, let's put in here romance story between hockey player and the nerd. Sounds cliche, right? And then for this one, let's click on this next right here. And then you can also put in here a thread structure. So let's put in your narrative since this is actually a story. Now click on next right here. Once you have done that, this will load in order to put us this character details. So let's put in here. So let's put in here the name of the character. I'll name the guy Jake. Is a hockey player that is cocky. And then let's put in here the female lead. Jane is a sweet, nerdy girl. Now click on next right here. And then this will put in here a story setting. So I'll head over and put in here college campus and then click on this generate right here. Now this will generate the X thread or Twitter thread for us. And we should be able to see in here the romance story that will begin to unfold. So you can see in here that they actually has around 10 scenes. So we have in here this. So what you can do in this case is you can head over and then just copy paste each paragraphs, then post them to thread yourself. So that's how you make a romance story thread on X using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.